Cut potato into equally long slices. Now keep the potato pieces in ice water for some time. Now add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala.
Won't stop for traffic lights.
Add some corn flour to it and then mix it well. Now add 2 pinches of fenugreek leaves.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Mix it well. Add salt as per your taste.
I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Add half piece of lemon. For frying I am using mustard oil, but you can use as per your taste. You must remember one thing, your oil must be preheated well.
Trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down.
Now fry it slowly until it turns golden dark brown.
I really wanna know.
Here your crispy French fries are ready to eat. Add some red chilies powder, but it's optional.
If I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep
Now
on
enjoy
holding
your
my
French
head
fry with your loved
high.
one.
Even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down. Yeah. The sky is falling.
If like this recipe, then please do like, share, and subscribe. It will motivate me to upload more videos. First, cut the potato into long pieces of peel.
Life is the one in the sky is falling down. No telling where it